Okay, so recording has been started. So today's topic is insert record with select. Okay, so since I have yes, in yesterday class I demonstrated how we can create a table with select statement, but this is um, this is for backup table, right? So just, and this is just a one time activity you can do. Rest, once a table has been created, and if you are having same schema and you want to record in append records in that in them, or overwrite records in them, so in that case you will search some modes, some techniques to insert record uh, by selecting an, a good amount of record from other table. Okay, so what I am telling you, let me tell you. Suppose this was our previous example, yesterday example. I told you that we have four cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. So in all cities, we have a table named school. Okay, school. Okay, and we have a number of records. Okay, we have some raw data. We have some raw data coming from the CBSE. Suppose we have raw data from CBSE that is coming, and we want to segregate the records with their school. We want to segregate all records with their school. Every school wants their own record, their own record. So my database contains all records of each school. Okay, so suppose student X reads in Delhi school, Delhi DPS. Suppose student Y reads in Mumbai DPS. Suppose student Z reads in Chennai DPS. So that is the and so on. So I have record provided by CBSE board. Okay, so now what I will do, i will I will this is my raw table, right? This is my raw table. Raw table, what does raw table mean? Means I have the record, I have the whole and sole record, I have all the records provided by the customer. Now I want to segregate the records based on the cities. So I want only in this table, in Delhi.school table, only Delhi student record would be there. Delhi DPS records would be there. Okay. In Mumbai.school, only Mumbai record would be there. In Chennai school, only Chennai, and Kolkata school, all Kolkata students record would be there. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Means, I repeat, means the CBSE board provided me data. Okay, the CBSE board person provided me raw data. That is, the raw data means provided me all data for all the students who appeared for class 12th exam in 2023. Okay, okay, class. So in now I want to segregate record based on the city. Okay, then what will I do? I'm not going to insert record as a finding record and inserting line by line to Delhi Mumbai, because there are thousands of record in each city, right? Right. So now what will I do? I will select these record based on city. Okay. All right. So this was one example what I have told you. Okay. So this is your task. This is your homework. Prepare a raw data set. This is your homework. Prepare a raw data set which contains all records, all records uh, for all cities, all all student records for all the cities. Okay, and then segregate based on city. This is your homework. I just hoping you will do that. But let me first execute let you know what I am going to tell you that what I'm going to demonstrate you. Okay, so now what I will do, I will select I have since in previous classes I was working on a medical shop. We were working on medical shop dot customer. So let me use the medical shop, and now let me select star from medical shop dot customer. So you can see, as there are number of records from starting from 101 to 112. Okay, so now I just want all the records, all the customer who took cetirizine. Okay, okay, I want allergic patients. Okay, I want all allergic patient records with customer name, customer address. Okay, so I want, what is my requirement? First, what is my requirement?
Select cust name, cust address.
Yeah, just what is my requirement? My requirement is from medical shop, prepare a table, prepare a table and insert records into it based on the customer detail, customer name and address, customer ID and address address who has taken cetirizine, means who were allergic, only just two were allergic patient. Cetirizine is taken in allergy. You must know the real world scenario, right? Allergy is a, when you have allergy you will be given as levocetirizine or cetirizine or allegra or something else, right? Means cetirizine is the main drug of allergic patient. Okay, so this is your question, right? Question might be like this. Okay, so what you will do, you will create a table. Okay, create table allergy. Okay, with cust name, cust name give the cust id, not cust id, cust name, cust id, cust id, uh, cust id, cust name and cust address. Just three: cust id, cust name and cust address. Cust address. So cust id is integer, cust name is varchar, and cust address is varchar. So just do that, and let us see if the table has been created. Now I have, since I have created the table, so let me visualize the record. Since I have used medical shop and I have not used the dot notation of database dot allergy, so but it will still work, right? It will still be there. But let me, to be more generic, let me add that. So now just run it, and you can see cust ID, cust name, and cust address has been implemented, has been created. So now what I will do, so now what I will do, I will I will insert record based on filtration of the condition. Okay, what my requirement is, insert records into it based on customer ID and address who are allergic, those customer who are allergic. So who custom, let me again show you the customer name who are allergic. Like uh, cetirizine, only three customers are there: cetirizine. Okay, okay, so these three are allergic patients: Bob, Charles and Charles, or two Charles are there, but let it be. Okay, these three patients are allergic. Okay, so now what I will do, I will prepare a query. Okay, I will prepare a query. Select star from select cust id cust name from medical shop dot customer. Okay, now I want you to tell me what I need to write here, what filter condition I need to write here.
Where?
Just tell me the whole line. I know it is where. Filter is where. I just want all the whole line.
We should insert the medicine, no, sir.
Yes. Yes, we need to insert medicine.
First medicine.
Just cust medicine. Add the cust medicine. Okay. Cust medicine. Okay. But doesn't matter, but you can add. I don't want if I don't want to add this medicine, that is okay. Okay. See, I have done it. So now just tell me the command here. I
Where
want
cust medicine
cust medicine.
equals to citrizin.
Okay, great. Great. And this is your command. Just let me just cust name, cust address, and cust medicine. Just I want to re-verify the query so that no issues are there once I create it. Just let me copy paste this again here. And see, these four records are there. One blank record is also there from Kolkata. Okay, so four records are there. So just apply, insert, above that, insert into medicalshop.lrg, right? Right? And no need to give anything, values. You can't write values here. Okay, okay, you
Why,
can't write
sir?
values here. This is how it works. Okay, just insert into shop medical shop.lrg and just do a select statement what I have written, and that's it. Just go and insert. Okay, so just let me do that, and then we can verify. And see, here four records have been inserted, and now select it from medical shop.lrg, and yes, the records have been inserted successfully. So this is how it works. You ask why. I also don't know why, but values doesn't work here because you are selecting. See, in my opinion, you are if you are selecting, if you are inserting something manually, then you give values. Okay, then you give values. Okay, you are providing values, right? Like x, y, z, right? So you are providing values. In that case, values will be there. You're not adding values, you are selecting something from other source, right? So for that, using that, you will do like this. Okay. Got that?
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing what I wanted to demonstrate in today's class. Okay, so this is the thing. So the viewers who are watching this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon uh, to this channel. And also, if you like it, kindly share it to your friends, and please do comment if you like my videos. Thank you.